Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear showing you another enclosed headache rack we just built. This has got the side grab handles down each side for safety. It's real nice when you're got that built into your headache rack. All smooth aluminum, we don't go any thinner than 1/8. It's got all stainless steel hardware, locking T-handles, all matching keys, nice heavy duty strap hinges, little protectors behind them against the aluminum, and all stainless steel fasteners as well. The 36-inch, actually this is a 30-inch grab bar on the top. Probably hanging lines from that up top. Here's the inside shot of it. You got the chain hanger full width up there, and then it comes down and you've got a nice 8-inch well on the bottom. And we actually put a nice little protector lip on top of here so that the chains, when you pull them out, they don't hit your bulb seal and break it. We do that on both sides. Inside of the center cavity, it's got one little kind of mini shelf there just to put some stuff on. Then you got a little deeper well here in the bottom for bulkier stuff. Kind of a standard rack, otherwise it's just really skinny. I think this one here is about 8 inches deep. So real slim profile to the truck. More products like this, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.